If you live in Calgary, stop spending half of your weekend going back and forth on the highways. Today I'm showing you the cool mountain itinerary. We're driving through Kananaskis, hitting the high suspension bridge hidden in the trees, then followed by the waterfall where you can walk right behind it, and finishing it of course with the glacier lake for some afternoon fishing. Let's go. Our first stop is the Blackshale Suspension Bridge. So while you're here is the ultimate insider tip to save your energy. Don't do the long 6-kilometer hike from the main parking lot. Instead, park at the small, unmarked pullout just straight on the road. From here, it's a quick, just only 1-kilometer loop straight to the bridge. Walking across this hanging wire structure is the best way to wake up your adrenaline. Next, we keep driving down the loop onto the paved Highway 40 to reach Troll Falls. This is an easy, flat, 3.4-kilometer walk through a lush green forest. But don't just stop at the first waterfall like everyone else. Take the wooden stairs up to the upper falls. It's way less crowded and you can actually stand directly behind the roaring wall of the water. It feels incredible. Just be careful because the rocks are super slippery right now. To finish a perfect loop, we're pulling into the barrier lake just as afternoon hours hit. Most people only see this lake only from the highway, but if you drive into the day use area, that's the absolute paradise. The best part, sometimes the fierce wind dies in the afternoon and the water is just like glass. It's the perfect time to cast a line. The lake is filled with the brown trout and the mountain whitefish. Even if you don't catch anything, just sitting here and enjoying the view is the absolutely perfect moment to finish your day. Just make sure that you bought your Alberta fishing license as well as the Kananaskis pass online. From here, you just hop back on the Trans-Canada and you're a straight 45-minute drive home with zero backtracking. Hey, if you want more Alberta's local secrets, hit that subscribe button and I will see you on the next adventure. The best part? Sometimes